Hello, my name is Omkar Sanjay Gande, and today's topic is encapsulation in Java. Encapsulation is an object-oriented programming concept. Encapsulation means wrapping the data and the information in a single unit. The real-life example of encapsulation are view school bag. Our school bag can contain our pen, pencil, notebook, and some or water bottle. So this is a real life example of encapsulation. Encapsulation is an object-oriented programming concept. Object-oriented programming is a fast and easy to execute. By using hooks, we implement real-world entities like abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation. Object-oriented programming include class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. In object-oriented programming, class is the blueprint of the object. Also, class is a logical entity that has state and behavior. Object. Object is the instance of a class, absorbs in logical entity. It has state and behavior. Inheritance. Inheritance means inherited the properties and characteristics from another class. By using one class, it's called inheritance. Multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and single inheritance are the types of inheritance. Abstraction means display only essential information and hiding the unnecessary or irrelevant information is called abstraction. The real life example of abstraction are suppose we know the driving of car. That time I know the basic functionality of the car, but I don't know the internal working or internal structure of the car. This is a real life example of abstraction. Polymorphism. In polymorphism, poly means many form. In polymorphism, one task performed in different ways. The runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism are the two types of polymorphism. In runtime polymorphism, method overloading and operator overloading are the runtime polymorphism, and method overriding is a compile time polymorphism. Suppose we use milk for drinking, but we are also use milk for making a butter or semi-table food. This is the real life example of polymorphism. And child take some qualities of his parent. This is a real life example of polymorphism. So, encapsulation means wrapping the data and the information in the single unit. Class is also example of encapsulation. Class contain the methods and variables. These methods and variables also wrap into the one single class. So class is also real-time example of encapsulation. Another example of encapsulation are our school bag can keep our water bottle, pen, pencil, notebooks. So this is a real life example of encapsulation. Encapsulation is the part of the object-oriented programming concept. It is also used in Java, C++, and Python programming languages. Encapsulation means wrapping the data and the information in the single unit.